How to apply Revolut card. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's guide video, I will simply guide you through the steps on how you can apply for a Revolut card. So just make sure to watch the video till the very end. In order to apply for a Revolut card, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all just make sure to launch the Revolut application here, and then just make sure that you're signed in to your account. Then once you're signed into the account, if you'd like to apply for a card, you can just go to the card section over here, or you can just tap the hub icon from the bottom right, and now you can just tap the card button here. Now here you can see get card, disposable virtual card and virtual identity card. Whatever you want to apply for, tap the get card option. You can choose the type of card you want, whether you want a virtual debit card or whether you want a physical debit card. So if you want a physical debit card, you can just select that option as well over here, and then here you can see the standard ones is actually absolutely free. If you'd like to customize it though, the metal black, you can also get that for free over here. As you can see, the metal black and the metal space gray. You also have the premium space gray for absolutely free here, and then these are basically all of the different types of cards that are available. And now you can select the type of card you want, tap on the get button here, and now you can, if you want, you can customize the card over here, or else what you can also do is you can just customize the name and everything else that you can see, the photo and the logo, or you can just tap the skip button from the top right hand side and then set a digit pin for your Revolut card. So let me go ahead and do that as well. Once I select the digit pin, I have to select my delivery address. Then after I've done that, I need to just tap the confirm delivery address. After I've done that, after a couple of days period of time, Revolut will successfully send me or mail me the card to my address here. And that is it on how you can apply Revolut card. Hope this video was helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.